Okay. Hi, I'm Mark Cook, and I'm with Dalinghaus Construction.
Me, not the camera.
I know. It takes me a bit to get in this stuff. Hi, this is Mark Cook, and I'm with Dalinghaus Construction. My role here is I'm a project design specialist. I usually spend a lot of time in the car, driving up and down the California coast. I talk to clients, I talk to the office, I talk to engineers. I show up to the client's house, we go over their project, I take photos, measurements, and I send them a proposal that day. 90-something% of my jobs, but it entails a lot of talking on the phone, sending a lot of emails, doing a lot of proposals, and answering a lot of questions. Yeah, so I've been in this industry for 13 years. And I've been a project design specialist for 9 years. Prior to that, I worked for my father's civil engineering company, and I used to do land surveying and computer drafting. So I treat a lot of my current work like what I learned with the topography of land. So it makes a lot of sense to me of why their bad soils are happening, what a cut fill lot is. And then the expansive clay soils, poor drainage. So I would say I've probably been in and out of this industry for over 20 years. I've seen this company go from 5-6 people up to 60 people. So I've seen a lot of us working from a kitchen table to renting offices to, this is now I think their third different office, and we have a big warehouse, and we're centrally located between Orange County and San Diego County for a reason, because that's where our jobs are. So, but I've experienced a lot of things. I've been on HGTV on a few episodes of Flip or Flop. I've been on a few different ones, different YouTube reality TV shows. One job we did, it was settled 16.5 inches. And we lifted it a total of 15. So I didn't think we'd get that much recovery, but we did. We get called about specific problems, and then we have to come up with complicated solutions to solve a specific problem. So I can't open this window. I can't open this door. There's a crack. When I put my dog's ball on the ground, it rolls towards the corner. We are literally solving that with our helical pier system or polyurethane or push pier system in a complicated manner to fix a simple problem that the homeowner called us initially about. My mom used to say that I was a really good teacher growing up. I think I'm able to explain things, dumb things down, talk about complicated things, make them more simplistic. I moved to San Diego because they have almost 200 breweries, and I love craft breweries. So I like everything about it. I like tasting the different beers. I'm a huge IPA and Imperial and double IPA person, but there's some that they're not that good. And I can taste one taste and know it, but there's one, and it's too close to my house, but it's super good. And they always come out with different beers, and just that first taste, I just love it. And I love just trying new things, and it's not like a bar. It's weird, the dynamic of it. It's always outdoors. People are fun. The workers are fun. You could smell the brewing process. I love that smell. People always have a dog, and you never see a fight. It's so interesting to me. Like, everybody's there for a purpose, like just to hang out, have some fun. There's always a cool food truck. One thing that's a big thing in my life is in about a little less than 2 weeks, I'll be getting married. So that's a big step for me. It's something that I never thought that would happen to me, and it did. I met the right person, and we clicked.
Smile a little bit.
And we clicked. I have a really good relationship with my family. had some deaths in the past few years. A lot of people that have been close to me, father, grandma, aunt, second cousin just passed. But you find that you come together, and so family means a lot to me. And then, as I'm gonna be getting married, I'm adopting a new family as well. So it's really great. I'm not complicated in this life. I like to keep things simple with my job, with how I treat people. Simplicity matters to me. People understand it. I don't need to beat around the bush or say something that is too complex for somebody to understand. I really like to keep it simple. Thanks so much for watching this video, if you have made it this far. I hope you learned a little bit about me, and if you feel like you have a foundation problem, feel free to call our office.